So hello friends, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. Myself Dr. Malay Trivedi, I am pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So friends, how are you all? How are you doing in your life? I hope you and your family members are fine and doing great. So dear friends, I request you all that in this situation of COVID-19, don't get disheartened. Please continue your work. Please keep on hard work. Please keep on working towards your goal. That may be your NEET MDS or it can be any other goal. But please keep on working. To help you all, dear students, we are uploading many videos which can be helpful for your preparation, like NEET MDS preparation strategy. Then what are the different type of questions they are asking in NEET and AIIMS. Then what after BDS, about abroad dentistry. Many videos we have uploaded. And along with that, we are providing students complimentary revision series. To join, you can contact me, dear friend. But please, I request, keep on working hard. So friends, now let's start the video with small example. You all can see on the screen that is a cocoon. Everybody know that from this cocoon, a butterfly will develop. So there was one young man who was very anxious and impatient type of nature he has. So what happened, once he saw this cocoon, he was seeing that something is coming out, a butterfly is coming out from it. So he became very impatient. He took the knife and he think, I will help the butterfly in coming out early. Okay, normally butterfly will take few time or few period to come out from this cocoon. But he decided that butterfly, why to make butterfly struggle? Let him come out today only. So he took the knife and he cut the cocoon. Butterfly came out from it. But you know what happened? Within a minute, butterfly die. Why? Because the normal or the natural life cycle of butterfly is that he has to struggle hard to each and every stage, then he will come out. You know why this struggling is there? Because with each step, with the struggle, he will strengthen himself. His wings are going to get strengthened. So when he comes out, he get proper and he will able to survive in this environment. So dear friend, life is also like that. You have to struggle at each and every moment. But remember, the struggle should be in right direction. And when you struggle properly in right direction, your growth will be there and you are going to get succeed. So for all you out, my friends, what is your goal? I hope many of you want to be in top 100 of NEET MDS. Dear friend, it is not easy or there is no shortcut for that. You have to keep on working hard. You have to give your 100%. You have to keep a balance between your MCQ reading and your textbook reference. Then and then only you can be in top 100 of NEET MDS. Remember, there is no shortcut or there is no, we can say, a small book or just by reading something you are going to get it. You have to give your 100%. Fine, dear friends. So we are coming out with the revision series, a second batch of this year, that is from May 2nd week. Remember, in this series there will be online lectures. We have around 50 online lectures and we'll complete your course around 2 times. And this lecture will be in the online WhatsApp seminar form and live interactive lecture, like you have YouTube lecture with other platform also, live platforms. And the advantage of this lecture is that you can save it and access at any time, any place. And it contains voice notes, explanatory videos and images which can be helpful to you during your revision. So friends, if you want more details regarding that, you can contact me. The contact is there in the description box also and also written down. So friend, just one thing I want to tell you. Please keep on working hard and there is no shortcut for success. You have to struggle in that direction to get the success. Till then, take care, love you all, and any doubt, any help you want, I am there for you.